Advantages of electric three-wheel forklifts. Superior maneuverability. The three-wheel design offers a tighter turning radius, enhancing agility in narrow aisles and confined spaces. Powered by lithium-ion or lead-acid batteries, they reduce operational costs and energy efficiency and zero emissions. Powered by lithium-ion or lead-acid batteries, they reduce operational costs and comply with eco-friendly standards. No CO2 emissions. Lower maintenance costs. Fewer moving parts compared to IC engines means reduced servicing needs. No oil, filters, or spark plugs. Quiet operation are ideal for indoor use, warehouses, food, pharma facilities with noise levels below 75 decibels. Enhanced stability. The triangular wheelbase improves load balancing, even at full lift heights. Operator comfort features like ergonomic seats, anti-slip steps, and shock absorption reduce fatigue during shifts. Advanced technology, optional smart systems e.g. load sensors, fleet management telematics boost productivity.